नमस्कार, मेरा नाम नैन्सी वर्मा है और मैं 11वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं आपको टैकलिंग प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन के बारे में कुछ बताऊंगी। यदि रोज़ आई हुई समस्या का रोज़ निदान नहीं किया जाए तो समय बीतने पर यही छोटी-छोटी प्रॉब्लम एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या बन जाती है, जिसे सॉल्व करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। छोटे कार्यों को और छोटी समस्याओं को टालना बंद कीजिए। ज़िंदगी में आप 2 तरीके से जीना सीख सकते हैं। पहला, यदि आप ज़िंदगी में बहुत आराम से फिसलते हुए जीना चाहते हैं, तो आप अपने रोज़ के कार्यों और रोज़ की समस्याओं को रोज़ ही हल करना होगा। दूसरा, यदि आप फिसलने की जगह घिसा कर जीना चाहते हैं, तो आप व्यापारी के दूसरे बेटे की तरह जीना सीख लीजिए। धन्यवाद।
Good evening, myself Neelakshi Verma, student of 10th class from School Government High Secondary School Karnashirkal. Today I am telling you something about procrastination. What is procrastination? Delaying task and pushing it tomorrow and finally not doing that task. Procrastination is the way we cope up with the anxiety for doing the task or making a decision. Careless, lazy, neglectful, thoughtless, etc. Procrastination is the harmful in various ways. It maintains tension in the mind. It will relieve you of this tension if you do the work right now. Putting off work till another time more often may keep us deprived of the benefits which might have occurred to us from its having been done. Thank you.
I Afsa Akhtar, class 11th. I am going to telling something about procrastination. Procrastination is the habit of delaying an important task. Unusually by focusing on less we get more enjoyable and easier activities instead. It is different from laziness, which is the unwilling to act. Procrastination can restrict your potential and undermine your career. Here I want to discuss some steps to prevent procrastination. First one, determine the cause. Second one, break down the task into sequential steps. Third one, track your work. Fourth one, eliminate common distractor. Fifth one, encourage, motivate and coach yourself. Sixth one, reward yourself. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Zahida Kosar, student from Government Higher Secondary School, Karnashirkal. Today I am going to discuss on the topic tackling procrastination. Procrastination is defined as the act of postponing an activity or task until an other point in time which can result in not having enough time to complete the work. Active procrastination is having a strong motivation to complete something under pressure. So the work is deliberately postponed. You can change this by trying to make your task more funny so you can complete it, stay organized and focused. Buy a calendar and write in it to mark deadlines and for along you should be in an assignment. Write a to-do list with tasks you need to get down. Staying organized will help reduce stress. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Shruti Verma. I read in 8th class. Today's my topic is tackling procrastination. Sant Kabir has advised what you have to do tomorrow do today, what you have today, do it now. Procrastination is the habit of delaying the task or any activity until a later. The habit of procrastination is the doing of things is one of the worst habit of a person. People tend to be slothful to put off intently of a plan till and it is possible the circumstances may change and able to do the work at all. It is good procrastination. The things are bad, but we are right, and what we have decided to do, we must do in time. The reasons of person procrastination can be varied. It depends on person to person and situations to situations. Thank you.
My name is Rohit Malhotra. I am student of 11th class from Government High Secondary School, Karnataka. Today topic tracking procrastination. Procrastination is the habit of delaying an important task. Pushing back deadline can put unnecessary stress on your body. This can have both short and long term effects on your overall health, such as chronic stress. It can reduce our productivity and make an it is very common in students today. Those it is very important to work every day and not to push it to the last minute. Thank you.